So what you can also do is you can go around and change around the paragraph options as you like inside a Photopea. So to do that, let me just go ahead and take this text tool right here. And if I were to go around, I'm going to go around and type in this is a paragraph right here, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this out right here and then paste this out around over here, just like this. So this is what I have. So let me just go around, copy this out right here, paste this out right here, paste this out as well, and then pull this out around over here. So let's just go around and pull it out right here, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and press enter, just like this. So now if I were to go around over here, I can go ahead and, let's say for example, work around with paragraph options for this particular paragraph. So to do that, you need to go around onto Windows and then onto paragraph right here. And then you can see that right now this particular paragraph is left aligned. So you can go around and center align this or right align this out as well. And you can go around and justify it out so that there's an equal space between these two paragraphs, as you can see right here. So now you can see the difference right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here, utilize the hand tool, and you can see that this is what you have. So it is all aligned out well right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can center justify it, you can right justify it, you can justify it fully so that there's no space over here on the left hand side, but usually this is the way that you want to go. Apart from that, you can see that you can go around and change around the space of the paragraph as well. You can have the tabbing right here, and apart from that, you can have tabbing from the right as well, just like this, as you can see right here. So apart from that, you can also go around and add in a single tab right here on the top of the paragraph, just like this as well, and add in a space over here from the top of the paragraph as well. So let me just go around over here onto this paragraph, let's say for example, and from the topping you can see that I can add in space or I can remove the space right here. Similarly, for this particular paragraph, you can add in bottom space or remove its space by using auto leaning. So right now in English, you can see that we write left to right, but you can also go for Arabic style right here and go for left to right as well. So go around for the direction of writing according to the language right here, just like this as well for the paragraph. And that is how you can go around and work around with paragraph options inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.